Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to change the account type in Windows 11 operating system, and also we can see what is the shortcut key to open settings in Windows 11 operating system. There are two ways we can change the account type in Windows 11 operating system. One is by selecting the control panel, and another way by clicking the settings app and we can see the user account details. So the first way we can see by going to control panel and change the account type. Click on search option. Click on control panel here. Open the control panel app. Here we can see change account type under the user accounts. Click on change account type. Here we can see we already have two users. One user is having a administrator privileges and another user we can see is a local account. Click on this test user account. Here we can see it is a local account. On the left side we can see the change the account type. Click on this. Here if you want to provide the administrator privileges for this test user account, click on this administrator privileges and click on change account type here, so that this test user now is having a administrator rights. So the another way you can see by going to settings app. Click on the settings apps. Here we can see settings app. Click on this. Here go to account section and you can see family and other users. Click on this. Here you can see the test user having the administrator rights. So if you want to change the account type, if you want to provide the permission, standard user permission without administrator rights, click on the change account type. You can see account type and administrator is having a current permission. If you want to give standard user, click on standard user here and click on OK button. Now you can see the test user is having a standard user permission and it doesn't have a administrator rights. So what is the shortcut key to open settings in Windows 11 operating system? Press Windows plus I to open settings in Windows 11 operating system. Windows I. You can see the settings it has opened and you can see all the details over here, the apps, accounts and rest of other details. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.